Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got a brand new video on the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. This video actually applies for all the Samsung phones with curved displays. The thing is, a lot of my friends and family members have told me that whenever they install a tempered glass on their Samsung phones like the S9, S9 Plus or even the S8, their touchscreen wasn't working. It wasn't responding as it should do. And I was like, what? What does a screen protector has to do with the touch response? Because let me tell you, I generally don't use screen protectors on any of my phones, and this is a really strange issue that I'm hearing for the first time. Some of you guys might be experiencing the same, as you might be using screen guards on your phones, but don't worry, even if there is such touchscreen problem, I have a solution for that. And especially for this video, I bought a screen protector for my Galaxy S9 Plus. It's a full body screen protector, so you get two screen guards, one for the front and the other for the back. It costed me about 300 rupees. I got it near my home at a local store. Okay, what I'll do now is I'll just install the screen protector on my phone and be right back to continue the video. Alright guys, I'm back. I've installed the tempered glass on my phone and this is how it looks like. Now this tempered glass doesn't cover the whole front part as you can see, but it does cover the entire screen. It also blends nicely with the curved edges. Now the actual question is, will this tempered glass affect the touch sensitivity of my phone? Well, even I don't know. Let's power it on and see. By the way, do you guys use screen protectors on your phone? If you do use them, just let me know in the comment section which brand you go with. The tempered glass looks okay, but still I feel like it's spoiling the original look of the phone. Alright, the phone is about to power on. There you go, it has booted up. Let me unlock it. What? Did you see that? No way! Let me try that again. Oh guys, my phone is not responding. Wait. Okay, it's working sometimes, but it's not as smooth as before. This is a really strange issue that I'm seeing on this phone when you install a tempered glass on it. It never happened on my Galaxy S7 flat. I remember using a tempered glass on my S7, but there was no issue with that. I think this is something related to the curved displays. I don't exactly know why this is happening, and also the touch isn't completely dead, just the sensitivity of the touchscreen has decreased, which means the phone won't detect your touch input sometimes, and to be precise, it's not sometimes but the situation is actually worse. Now there is nothing to worry about. I have a solution that can actually fix this problem. And by solution, no, I won't tell you to remove that tempered glass from your phone. Nobody wants to waste their money. So let me get to the point. To fix this touchscreen problem on your Galaxy S9, S9 Plus or even the S8 series, open the settings. You see this advanced features option here? Just click on it. Now go to the bottom of the page. Here you can see an option called as touch sensitivity. You need to enable this feature. Now what it basically does is, it increases the touch sensitivity of the screen so you can use it even with the screen protector installed on your phone. Okay, let's enable it and see if it solves our problem. Whoa guys, the problem is gone. Holy smokes, now the phone is working just like it used to do without the tempered glass. There's a huge improvement in the response now. Looks like everything's back to normal. My phone is working perfectly fine, no issues. Enabling that feature really did the job. Now many people do not know about this feature. They install a tempered glass on their Samsung phones and get really worried like, what happened, why isn't my phone working properly? Well, that's why I made this video. I hope this video is helpful to everyone out there who's using Samsung phones, as you got to know about that new touch sensitivity option, and do share it with your friends or family members whoever use Samsung phones. This solution will work on all the models like S9, S9 Plus, S8, S8 Plus and even the Note 8. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all liked it. Just make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.